Why can't some people say Loch? If you're a Scot, Welsh, Irish, and a few others, chances are you'll be able to say this correctly, Loch, as in Loch Lomond. If, however, you're English or American, of course I am generalizing here, do not come for me, you will typically say Loch, with a K. Here's a Scooby-Doo movie to demonstrate.
The legend of the Loch Ness Monster?
Well, it's down to what we call phonics. For the vast majority of English speakers, this sound, that guttural back of the throat noise, doesn't exist in everyday speech. Basically, it's a sound that many English speakers won't be used to making, or perhaps never have. However, if you're a Scot or indeed a speaker of Arabic, German and others, you likely started using this sound from an early age and learned how to create the noise. Here in Scotland, for example, there are over 30,000 lochs. Chances are you lived near one. Or perhaps you knew of places like Pitlochry, Lochgilphead, Gairloch. Maybe you had a friend called Lachlan. Or you simply attended a Scottish wedding and got involved in the big sing-song at the end. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you're missing out. The other thing that you may be unaware of is that Loch is indeed a Gaelic word. Video, come on. If you're unaware, Gaelic was in Scotland long before English became the prevalent language, and by the time lake appeared in the vocabulary, Loch had become so widely used to refer to inland bodies of water that it had stuck, and it ain't going anywhere.